and double shine, but it wasn't a match. Wrote some songs about Ricky, now I listen and laugh. Even almost got married, and for being so thankful.
Okay, so we have this unboxing from Juvia's place. Okay, so this is going to be a very, I don't know. I didn't even need this. This is going to be a very crazy video. But I'm gonna just show you how it came packaged. Comes with this little styrofoam shit. And I have 2 palettes. I'll show you the 2 palettes that I will be playing with today. So I have the Afrique by Juvia's. This is what it looks like. And I have the Festival by Juvia's. I'll open it up and show you exactly what they look like. So if you noticed or whatever, I'm trying this new thing where I record for my my camera. I'm gonna try because I know a camera has better everything. It just looks better. This is what the Festival palette looks like. As you can see, it has your like your what would you call it? This red. I don't know. We can make a look out of some things. And this is what the Afrique one looks like. Oh, okay. So this one, oh, it did come with a plastic. Oh, okay. I thought it didn't come with the plastic. And you have more colors here with the Afrique by Juvia's. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids. You guys know how this goes. Should I prime my eyes? No, I'm just going to use my eyeshadow primer. And I'm going to prime my eyes right now. So I'm going to take my Afrique by Juvia's. I'm going to go in with the shade Cameron, which is this shade right here. But I want to go into my crease. And these palettes do not have mirrors, but I don't think any of their palettes do. Let me try to like zoom you guys in so we can focus on the eyes. As you can see, it's very pigmented, so I'm not even putting a lot of products on, and it's very pigmented. Next, I'm going to be using like this orangey shade called Dakar. I'm probably saying these names wrong, so please do not clock me. Next, I'm going to be taking this, it's like a burgundy shade, it's called Bentu. So being that they do not have a black, I'm going to go in with my James Charles palette, and I am going to use this black color. It's called Spooky, and yeah. Going back in with my primer, and I will just be cutting the crease using this eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to be packing on this yellow right in the right in the corner of my crease with a packing brush. And then I'm gonna flip the brush. Oops. Flip the brush and do orange. So I'm going to do the other eye off camera and I will be back with my final thoughts. Okay guys, so this is the finished look from the palette. I only used one palette today. I didn't use both. So the palette that I used today, was the Afrique by Juvia's. This is the one I used, and I used the yellow, the blue under my eyes, which performed very well. The blue was very pigmented. I'm not a big fan of this yellow. Like what is that? Like, what? That swatch was disgusting. Not a big fan of this yellow. I do like this orange shade. Yeah, this orange shade is really pretty. And I did go in with this like kind of burgundy shade. And this shade was also very pretty. I'll just swatch the green for you just so you could get oh, that was a beautiful swatch. I cannot wait to use this green. So yeah, and then I use the gold. I'll put it on my pinky. So I use the gold and like just to create something. Oh, that gold is really, really pretty. So we all love Juvia's Place. We all love the quality. We love what it can do for us. I just not like the fact that it took them 2 months to get to my house. I will show you a clip here or here, whatever. I will show you a clip, well, a photo of when I purchased this, and then, excuse me, I will show you another photo of when I received it. I sent them so many emails. Emailed them so many times. I purchased this item, I believe Black Friday was the 20, what was Black Friday, the 23rd?
Today was, when was Thanksgiving, 26?
I don't remember, but I know Black Friday is the day that I first purchased these items, and I just did not understand why I'm just now receiving.
It was the 23rd.
Oh, okay, so yeah, November 23rd is when I purchased these items, and I just don't understand why today is the 10th. Yeah, today's the 10th, I believe. I was supposed to get it yesterday on the 9th, but something with the post office, whatever the case might be. Yeah, so something with the post office, that whatever. But I ended up going to pick up my package today. I'm not mad at the palette. This is the first time I did this kind of look. Juvia's Place palettes are very pigmented. That's not the issue. The issue with me is that they will no longer get my coin, because it should not take them this long to give me a product, 2 products. They kept telling me that it was because of high demands, because of the holidays, but then another holiday came, and now it's 2019 and I'm just getting my package from last year. Like, come on, sis. Like, I just don't understand. They would not be getting any more of my coins. This is going to be the only 2 and the last 2 palettes that I will purchase from them. I just can't deal with it. At first the customer service was immaculate, but until I had to send a nasty email. I admit I had to send a nasty email, and I don't care. I sent the nasty email last week. I just wanted to let you guys know while I'm going through my email that I did send them the nasty email December 26th, and I also sent the email on January 4th. Sending that email on January 4th, I received a tracking number on January 8th. And it's so funny how on the 8th of January, I get a tracking number. Now let's just talk about it. I had got a tracking number at first, and it wasn't even from USPS. I had got a tracking number from FedEx, and it kept saying the same thing. Oh, they haven't made a shipping label yet. Like, I just don't understand. Like, you guys have to get better. You already know people are going to be buying your products. How am I just now getting my order? Other than that, let's talk about the product. The product was actually good. I will do a separate video on this the festival palette. It has more of these shades in it. I will definitely do a video on these shades because I feel like these can work bomb. There are 5 mattes and 4 shimmers, and I cannot wait to play with them. I'm going to play with them. I'm going to use these palettes because I bought them with my own money. Like, as far as that, these products worked absolutely great. I just did not use the yellow. I had to go with my favorite yellow, which was from the James Charles, and we already know how this yellow looks. So, like, look at that yellow compared to that yellow. Anyway, that is all I have for you guys today, and thank you for watching my YouTube video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your favorite girl. And if you like these videos, make sure you tell me so I can make more of these makeup videos for you guys. Also, is this do you guys like this lighting better? Not lighting, but like visual better. I'm using my camera. So I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.